Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bleaching my client's natural hair to a dirty blonde, and I'm going to share with you some hair care tips if you ever decide to bleach your own hair. So let's dive in. Alright, so this is my client's hair before any color. This is her natural hair color with a little colored tips on the ends because she is no stranger to hair color. We've colored and bleached her hair many times, and this time around she wants to do some blonde. She was ready for it. And when it comes to bleaching or lightening my client's curls, I want to make sure that I'm going in with an Olaplex bond multiplier because that's going to help prevent damage and repair their hair during the lightening process. I want to make sure that those curls are still curling by the end of it all. Alright, so as I apply my client's bleach, let's dive into how to prepare for your lightening service. Okay, so first things first, if you want to go lighter, brighter, blonder, you first have to assess your hair health. What is the condition of your hair? You want to make sure that your hair is healthy enough for the bleaching process. I strongly recommend avoiding bleaching your hair if your hair is already damaged, brittle, or excessively dry. If you need to nurse your hair back to health, I recommend using protein treatments and deep conditioning treatments to strengthen your hair. You can start using strengthening treatments like an Olaplex treatment a few weeks before bleaching your hair to strengthen it. This will help fortify your strands and minimize breakage. And don't forget to follow up with your moisturizing treatment because this will keep your hair hydrated and keep your moisture protein levels balanced. Okay, so after you've ensured that your hair is strong enough and healthy enough for color, when it comes to the bleaching process, I strongly recommend turning to a hairstylist for the process. Now, I know this is hard for my DIY girlies to hear, but when it comes to bleach, you don't want to play in your hair. When it comes to bleach, there's so many moving variables that can affect the outcome of your hair that I would just go to professionals so you know that you're getting it done right the first time around. A hairstylist will just make sure that you're getting the safest results possible. To make sure that you and your hairstylist are on the same page when it comes to your hair color, I recommend doing a thorough consultation. And in that consultation, you want to be very honest about your hair history with your hairstylist. You want to share any hair color that you've done in the past, even if you think it's no longer in your hair, it has a chance for still being in there. You want to talk about any treatments or even any medications or anything that's affecting your hair at the present moment. All of these factors can change the outcome of your hair. So the more open and honest you are with your hairstylist, the better chance to get the results you want. My last tip when it comes to consulting with a professional is to make sure that you bring photos with you. This will help you both see the color that you want at the end. Because if I were to say I want a copper color, some people see orange while some people see brown and some people see red. So I always recommend bringing photos to bridge the gap. Alright, so this is my client's hair after about 20 minutes of processing, and this is just a great representation of how bleach lifts the color out of your hair gradually. Okay, so after my client has finished processing, I'm going in with the Olaplex No. 4 Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. Now, this is a purple shampoo that is just going to help me kick out any of the leftover brassiness, any orange that's left in her hair after processing. This is just going to help cancel that color out so that I can get the brightest, freshest, cleanest blonde to start with. If you ever do decide to go blonde, I highly recommend getting a purple shampoo because it's just going to help refine your hair and make sure your color lasts longer. Alright, so this is my client's hair after being freshly bleached, and this is her raw lift. At this point, I'm looking at her curls, I'm assessing of any damage, and I'm just seeing what her hair lift to so that I can properly tone it. Okay, so as I apply her toner, let's dive into what exactly is a toner. A toner or a gloss, it is a demi-permanent hair color, and this is used to refine or enhance your hair color. It is demi, like I said, so that means it lasts about 8 weeks because it goes into your hair shaft but not deep enough like a permanent color for it to permanently last. So it eventually washes out. So depending on how you take care of your color or how it fades out, you may need to come back into the salon later to get your toner refreshed. Alright, so after my client's toner has finished processing, I'm going in with the volume shampoo to thoroughly, deeply cleanse her hair. It has bentonite clay in it, so it's going to help strengthen and rebuild your hair, which is important after the lightening process. This is my daily clarifying shampoo, so I know it's going to give her a deep cleanse while also rebuilding her hair. I just want to note, after getting your color done, the shampoo and conditioner you use are probably the most important hair products that you use because they are going to dictate the longevity of your hair color. You want to opt for sulfate-free, color-safe, keratin-safe shampoo because it's going to give you a thorough cleanse without stripping your hair color before it's time. Alright, to further infuse moisture and strength into her hair, I'm going in with my deep repair treatment from my Tomsy Curly hair care line. Now this is the deep conditioner that has keratin and moisturizing properties to give you the proper moisture protein balance, especially after hair color, because it's going to rebuild your hair from the inside out. I love this deep conditioner because it's effective, but it's lightweight even for fine hair strands. It's not going to weigh your hair down, but it's going to make your hair feel so moisturized and soft, which is so special, especially after getting bleach where your hair can feel so dry. To further assist the deep conditioning treatment, I like to pair it with a hair steamer. Now a hair steamer is great because it moisturizes not only the hair but detoxes the scalp as well, which is really great for my girls who have really dry, flaky scalps. A hair steamer helps open up your cuticles and your pores and pushes moisture in there for long-lasting hydration. If you have colored or bleached hair, a hair steamer wouldn't hurt. Alright, so after steaming and rinsing, I'm going in with the Emergency Miracle treatment, which is the leave-in conditioner that is going to moisturize and prep her hair for her wash and go style today. I always use a leave-in conditioner as the first product before any hairstyle because it's going to help moisturize the hair and detangle and smooth the hair out for styling. And when you have color treated hair, a leave-in conditioner is essential. Alright y'all, so let's get into this wash and go. I want to go in with my water spray bottle and just douse the hair in moisture because we know that when the curls are moisturized, they are popping. So I'm going in and making sure the section that I'm working on is doused in water. And then I'm going in with the amplifying foam. And a foam is great because it has that moisture content to further moisturize your hair and give you a lightweight hold. It's great for people with fine hair as well because it's not as heavy as a gel, but it gives you the hold without a crunch. Then I'm immediately following up with the Versatile Styling Cream. Now I love this because this is more like a cream gel. So it's great because it has the cream moisture. So that's going to keep your hair moisturized and not dry your hair out like a gel. And because it's cream, it's lighter weight than a gel, so it's not going to weigh your hair down and cause buildup. It's great because it's a buildable hold, so a little will go a long way. Alright, so after I feel that my products are thoroughly saturated, I'm going in with a fine tooth plastic comb, and this is just going to help me detangle and smooth out the hair so that the curls can properly pop, and that is going to set our curl for her wash and go. Alright, so as I continue styling, let's dive into some more bleached hair care tips. Okay, so along with making sure that you keep your hair moisturized with deep conditioning treatments and a leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure that you're also incorporating strengthening treatments. Now this means protein treatments or bond building treatments. This will help you rebuild the strength of your hair, especially after the bleaching process, so that you can ensure the integrity of your hair. You want to go in about every 4 to 6 weeks with this protein treatment or strengthening treatment, but you want to be careful not to overdo it, as too much protein can make your hair brittle. And my last tip is to make sure you limit the use of heat styling tools when you have bleached hair. That's because hot tools can further dry out your hair and cause stress on your fragile strands. Alright, so after defining my client's curls, I'm going to use my hooded dryer to set her hair today. And I love that the products that I use, especially the Versatile Styling Cream, has heat protection, so I know her hair is safe. Alright y'all, and here are the final results. We were obsessed with how this dirty blonde color came out. It really complemented her skin. You can see that those coils are popping off. You can even see her definition better now that her hair is lighter. Even as we take it around her head, you can see that wash and go looks so juicy, and the color just looks so good. It looks even, it looks fresh, it looks refined, most importantly. If you want to see another bleach blonde transformation, be sure to check out this upcoming video. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!